Hi folks, this is Sjsrana, Sjsrana, and I've got little Mother Nature mystery and Mother Nature miracle I just want to share with you, and it's very bizarre how it happens. So every time Mother Nature helps me. So as you know, this the feminine energy, it's all around me, and I am sometimes very startled, astonished, and baffled how it happens and what it does. So take a look. I'm going to share my front yard clippings, CCTV view of my front yard residence, which I have been residing here for almost 2.5 years. So take a look. Hi folks, so you're doing, you're taking a look at my front yard residence. As you can see, it is on 19th of September 2025. I've got these tree leaves falling on my front yard, and you can see it's created quite a mess. But what can you say when Mother Nature is putting up its show? So I've got a lot of these leaves all scattered around. It looks like little cluttered. You can see on my car. This is Maruti Baleno, and this car, and you can see it's all covered. All my front yard is all covered by leaves, and it was sitting there for quite some time, for almost like half a day, and a day before. But on this day, it gathered a lot of leaves. But day before, it was also having leaves. So I just was wondering what's going around. But when Mother Nature helps you and it does the cleaning, it does the best. So just watch the show how Mother Nature does the cleaning, and it's the best cleaning it will do. And I have this fast forward on this CCTV video of mine, which is a villa, which is my residence over here. And as you can see how the Mother Nature does its best cleaning when it wants to give its show or blessings to you. So just take a watch, relax, and look at it.